How's it going, you guys? I'm Zach here at MarineMax Cocoa. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick walkthrough of this 2024 newly remodeled Sea Ray 210 SPX. This boat is in the white hull color with a black rub rail with chrome insert. It's got the black sports tower on there. And pushing this boat is a powerful Mercury 150. Now let's take a look inside of the boat. Here in the stern of this 210, right in front of this really nice sized swim platform, we've got Sea Ray's famous massive 3-person sun lounger. It's got plenty of room to soak up the sun on the stern of this boat. Moving up, you've got the backrest to the bench seat in the back of the cockpit, which also opens up to have plenty of storage here. In the stern, we've got our boat cover in there right now. Under this seat right here, you've got your igloo cooler. And right here in the co-pilot seat, this seat adjusts forward and backward so you can maximize your space in the cockpit of the Sea Ray. Up above us here, we've got this massive sports tower, perfect for all your water sports, wakeboarding, tubing, skiing, anything you want to do, it's perfect for it. And it also has a sunshade that extends over the back, so you can stay out of the sun a little bit. Moving up towards the helm of this boat, we've got our nice captain's chair with the bolster seat. You've got your Fusion audio head unit. You've got your 7-inch Simrad display, all your switches, and your throttle. Moving up towards the bow of this Sea Ray 210, we've got some more storage in here, as well as our front insert for our sun pad, which brings us to the bow of this boat. You've got plenty of room up here, especially for a 21-footer. You can pop in that insert right here, as well as on the back, so that once you have all this closed, you've got a complete sun lounger up in the bow of this Sea Ray. It makes for a very nice ride. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for this quick walkthrough of this 2024 newly redesigned Sea Ray 210 SPX. If you have any questions about this boat, or you'd like to come and see it in person, this boat is available here at MarineMax Cocoa, or you can give us a call anytime at 321-636-3142. Thank you guys. Talk to you soon.